One of the National Assembly's committees, the Environment and Sustainability Committee, has just finished looking at recycling in Wales. And the committee asked people to write to them and asked certain organisations and individuals to come and speak to them in meetings at the Senedd. Over the summer, the National Assembly for Wales went out and about across all parts of Wales to find out what people think about recycling in their area. We heard from 3,252 people, including 2,377 children and young people. Some people told us in the survey that the recycling system was easy to understand and easy to follow. However, other people told us in the survey their inability to store the variety of recycling boxes, particularly in flats, stopped them from recycling more. 98% of the general public and 95% of children and young people who filled in our survey said that they recycled at home. A lot of people told us in the survey that they would be encouraged to recycle more if they had a better understanding of the benefits of recycling and the environmental consequences.
It's norm for me, and I expect for many members around this table now, just to collect food waste separately, and that's because we do that. But there are some communities that still struggle with that. I think this generational issue of getting young people to do that in school now, recycling plastics and paper and other ones, that becomes the norm. That feeds directly into the household, into the community. And you've had a great response in terms of your response to committee evidence from young people, as you were saying earlier. It's great that people are engaged in this process, so that's key for me. Young people will look after their communities and the globe as they move forward.
In our survey, people told us that they were unsure about what materials could and couldn't be recycled, and were unsure as to what happened to the recycling once it was collected. People told us that if they had a better understanding of what happens to the recycling, they could be encouraged to recycle more.
A connection between people and communities and the actual end product, because the most important thing that comes back to me is people are quite suspicious as to actually it doesn't all get dumped up together and whether the recycling takes place and what the benefits of it are. And it's always seemed to me that connection between this is the end product actually of what you're doing is the weakest point in it.
The members of the Environment and Sustainability Committee would like to thank everyone who took the time to tell us their views. The committee will now consider what people told them in writing, in meetings at the Senedd and in the survey before writing a report. This report will include recommendations for things the committee thinks the Welsh Government should do about recycling in Wales.